Here's how to fix Outlook not sending or receiving emails. First, open Outlook and look at the left side. Scroll through the folders and select Outbox. Check whether any of your emails are stuck there. If a message is sitting in the outbox, one possible reason is that it contains a large attachment. Try removing the attachment from the email and then send the message again. If the attachment was causing the problem, the email should now go through normally. If you're still unable to send or receive messages, click File in the top left corner, then select Account Settings, followed by Account Settings again. In the account list, double-click your email address. Select Next, then click Done once the process finishes. Close this window and completely restart Outlook. After Outlook opens again, click the refresh icon in the top left corner and check whether your emails are now sending and receiving correctly. If the problem remains, close Outlook and open the Start menu. Search for Services and launch the Services application. Scroll down through the list until you find the Google Update Services. You should see the Google Update Services listed together. Double-click each Google Update service and locate Startup type. Change it to Disabled, then click Apply and OK. Repeat this for every Google Update service shown on your computer. Once you've changed these services, open Outlook again and test your email. If you're still experiencing the same problem, open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and launch it. Change View By to large icons, then select Mail. In the Mail Setup window, find the Profiles section and click Show Profiles. If an existing Outlook profile is listed, select it and click Remove. Confirm the removal by selecting Yes. Next, click Add to create a new profile. Enter a name for the new profile and select OK. You'll then be asked to enter the password for your Outlook email account. Enter your password and click Next. Outlook will attempt to reconnect your account and configure the necessary settings. Once the setup has completed, now launch Outlook again and check your mailbox. Your account should reconnect using the newly created profile, allowing you to send and receive emails normally. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.